Hello, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the actuator for a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. So as you can hear, if you have actuator problem, there's 3 of them inside here. There's one on this side and the one next to it, and then the one all the way on the driver's side. There's 3 of them. So if you want to figure out which one yours broken, you can just unplug those and then turn on your car, and then turn off again and see if you hear the sound. Like mine, you hear the sound. You hear that sound? You hear that flapping on there? Yeah. So mine is the one is broken is the right one, the first one. As you can see that? See the flapping? Right. So if you want to find out, it's right here. See where the cable is? Yeah, that's the cable plug into it. See, it's moving. Yep, that's where it is. And the second one is right on that bolt right here. That's the second one. The third one is on the driver's side. If you if you duck down on the bottom of the driver's side, you'll find out. So mine is making that noise because look, that one is broken. So the one on the side right here is broken. So in order to get to this, you have to take off the glove compartment right here, and then here's the glove compartment. It's pretty easy to take it out. All you need to do is just push in this knob right here, 2 of them, push it in and pull it down, and then there's this plug right here. You need to unplug it, and that's it. So after that, after you pull this out, and then you got to take this piece off, the cover off, the liner. So liner is covered like this. So all you need to take it off is you push in this tab right here. You just push it in. When you push it in, you're able to take it out. So there's 1, 2, 3 of them. So you take it out. Take this line out. And then so the part number for the actuator is this one. If you cannot see it, I will put down on the description so you can see it. So that's the one you should order, and this should go from 2017 to all the way 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. So this is the part right here. So this is the thing right here. So when you inside, there's 2 screws, you have to take it out. The one in front right here, and then this one don't have any screw, so you need to take this 2 screw out. And what you need to use is if you have a small hand, then it'll be good. So you need to use 5.5 millimeter to take it out. So I'm not gonna video show you exactly where it is. There it is. Yeah, I don't know, you can see it, but trust me, it's right there, right on that wire, the cable right there. So yeah, so right on that cable, that's where it's connected to. So I'm not gonna show you how I take it out because it's so hard to do it with only one hand. But just have a little patience, and then you can take it out. Also, it will be a lot easier if you take this cover off. the air filter cover. And then you have a little bit more room in there. Yeah. So I took the privilege to unscrew it already. So you have, lucky for me, I'm not a big guy, so I can do this. But if you're a big guy, then you need to open so basically you do this mostly by feel. See this screw right here. So so if you're a big guy, then you need to do from the bottom up. So you need to take this this piece out, and then also this this air duct out. Yeah. So just slowly take it out. Be careful not to drop the screw. So if you drop it, then I don't know how you're gonna get it out. There you go. So you can see I took it out. See that? There you go. Take it out. There you go. So there it is. Only 2 screws. So there it is. If I were you, I would keep this as a spare part, because sometimes what happened is you can reuse some of the item in here. Let me try to take it out for you so you can see it. Let's go. So you're trying to open this and so all this is just a little knob right here. You just use a flathead to remove it. Use a small flathead and hopefully you can remove it. So I got 1, I got 2, I got 3 right here, and then there's a 4th one right here. And there's a 5th one. Oh man, gotta be careful with that. 5th one right here. You know what? I don't care. I just gonna pry it out, because this is gonna be a okay. Let's, and last one is over here. Yeah, there you go. So maybe later on you can use this. Ooh. Well, this wheel, you might use it if it's still in good condition. You know, I might test this and see if the motor is still good or bad. But the wheel still look good. So later on, if it's happened to you again, and you might able to use some of the part right here. So let me cut you off, and I'll be right back. So I finished the installation. Let me see if it's work. See, as you can see, it's going up and down. See? Now I don't have that problem with the... So now that problem is fixed. As you can see. Now if I turn it off, let's see if I have that clicking sound anymore. Usually I turn it off, you hear that clicking sound. Turning off. Stay open. It won't make that clicking sound anymore. So now all I need to do is put everything back, and it's fixed. Let's see, I can put this back for you to see. So what you need to do on this tab right here, so you have to push the tab back into its position up like this. See? Same thing you do with this. So you push all of them up, and it should work. So you put this in here, and you line this up there, and this one right here. So this one right here, you need to get into that little cubby hole in there. There you go, and then just push it. And then there's another one down here. Oh, to get into this cubby hole right here, and then you snap it in. And same thing with this. So you got into those cubby hole, and then you snap, and everything should be in. And now we go to this one. So actually you just put everything back in like it should be. Let me show you. Let me see if I can get that video for you here. Snap it in. Go. Then get this in, and the other side in. This one in. There you go. And that's it. Now you are done. So I hope that's helpful, and I hope if you have a problem with the actuator, or you hear that clicking sound under the dash, you can fix it yourself. It's pretty easy, and I know the dealer is going to quote you about $200 or $300. Mostly it's not the part itself, because the part is like $25, but the labor. They said they have to remove all the dash and stuff like that. It's a bunch of baloney, you know. They're just trying to rip you off. So I hope that's helped, and I'll see you guys on our next video. All right? Okay, bye.